Mama tingin si Bia.
You, I know you're everything that I've been looking for.
Kapal mo wala.
And I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line.
Mama tingin si Bia.
Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometime when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you.
Nai-layout ko nga pala ito. Ito yung aasintadahan namin. Ito tapos ko nang mag-layout. Maya maya lang maasintada na kami dito. Ready na rin si Halo. Ayun. Si Halo. Ayun lang guys, natapos ko. Naka-anim na patong tayo.
Ba may lagay ka pa dyan, Biga.